Hey guys, I'm Daniel. I keep a medical bag with me pretty much all the time. I'm a volunteer firefighter, an EMT, and in my personal vehicle, this is the bag that I like to carry. It's made by Tasmanian Tiger. Depending on what I'm doing, if I'm responding to calls in my personal vehicle, this is the one that I often grab. It's a lot of good stuff. I'll start out with my diagnostic equipment. I keep it separate in like a little 511 range bag. Real quick, we've got thermometer, pulse ox, glucometer, some gloves, little flashlight, and stethoscope and blood pressure cuff, all in that thing. 90% of the time, that's what I'm doing before the paramedics get there, is just getting some diagnostics on the patient, whatever's happening. So in this bag, I'm going to go through it kind of front to back, top to bottom. On the top here, I've got some X shears, trauma shears over here. The Rescue Me window punch and seatbelt cutter. You just pull that guy right out real easy, punch a window, get in the vehicle pretty quick if you need to. I keep a pair of pliers and cutters in here as well. It could be disconnecting a battery cable to make sure the airbag doesn't hit me if I'm helping with a patient in a vehicle or something like that. I've used these to cut barbed wire to get over a fence, and so other responders can get in. Pretty handy having the cutters and the pliers all together in the little system. Also on the outside, this is an additional pouch with this Tasmanian Tiger bag. I keep a headlamp. A lot of times we get calls at nighttime in the dark. You got to go hands-free with your light, so put a headlamp on, helps a lot. Some extra gloves, notepad, pen, that kind of stuff. On the other side, I've got a little bit brighter flashlight, little pin light from Streamlight. The inside contents, well, I forgot one thing. 1110 makes a variety of tourniquet pouches, and these are my favorite for one that's totally enclosed, just not getting UV, wearing that thing down. It's covered, it's nice. Look at 1110, they've got the hard pouches and the soft ones, really solid piece of gear. Inside the bag, I've got it set up basically here for March algorithm. So I've got massive hemorrhaging here. As soon as I open it at the top left here, I'd open it like this and hold it up so you can see it in the camera. I've got all my massive hemorrhage. I got pressure dressings. I've got 2 packs of Quick Clot gauze, Z-fold. I've got extra compressed dressing here, an extra tourniquet. I've got one on the side, one inside here. These are 4x4s. And then when I get a little bit further into the bag, onto this side, micro BVM. These are solid little BVMs. You just pop this thing out and you got a bag valve mask, hook it to oxygen, whatever. I keep oxygen in the rescue vehicle that I often have with me. It's in our medical bag in that. And in here, I've got a couple of vented chest seals from Hyphen. This is a cool little pouch right here. This is a wound packing bandage system from Rescue Essentials, and in this one it's got an elastic wrap, it's got some more gauze, it's got an abdominal pad, some Z-fold compressed gauze, and some duct tape. A little bit further, I've got a wide variety of all the different sizes of NPAs for nasal airway, some forceps. I got a 28 French on top, which, military guys in your IFACs, that's like the most common one out there, at least for most adult size. Males, I've got some more abdominal pads here. Run across somebody fairly often that's hit their head, or somebody who's hurt that's on blood thinners. This is external, like Quick Clot gauze, just to help stop some of that bleeding in them. And then helping out for hypothermia, we just got a little wrap there to cover them up, keep them warm. And then in this pouch, it's got a lot of the small goodies. This comes with the bag. This wasn't extra. This comes with that Tasmanian Tiger bag. Pretty nice. We've got some 81 milligram Motrin, I'm just kidding, Asprin, chewable type. So somebody's having cardiac arrest, or not cardiac arrest, kind of a heart condition, and we need to start that. And then a few minutes later, give them some nitro. If they need some blood sugar increase over there, we've got some glucose. Some good old Narcan, cravat, and some OPAs, and some surgical lube. And all that stuff fits in this bag, and it fits in real nice in a small little form factor. Nice straps, you can tuck them in. You got a waist strap you can tuck in. It's just a solid little kit. I forgot one thing that I have in here as well. There's a pouch right here in the middle, and I keep a SAM splint in there. So if I'm not common in what I do to need that, but just in case I'm in the vehicle, maybe we're hiking or something, and I take it with me, and we do need a SAM splint. I've got it in there for brakes and that kind of stuff, or a variety of other things that they can be used for. Pretty awesome, those sand splints. So that's my bag from Tasmanian Tiger. I really like it. There's a few different sizes of this bag. This is the medium size of the bag, and I think it works great for what I do. And the EMT scope. If I had paramedic skills and I was up there and I had some more airway stuff and some other things, if I was qualified to do those things, I would probably go with a little bit bigger bag. But this is really just set up for me to be there for 5 to 10 minutes before the paramedics get there on the ambulance. And I can handle most life threats under the EMT scope with this bag. So guys, I hope that gives you some information on packing your bag and shows you a little more about this Tasmanian Tiger bag if you're looking for it. Thanks for watching.